Hello everyone and welcome aboard the small boat The Intense. I'm your host, the Doc, the Ghost Net Guy. I'm getting ready to put the camera in. We're off of the west side of Vashon Island and I'm dropping down into the depth over 370 feet. We're at the small red dot. Here's what the seafloor looks like. Ha ha ha. Woo! Full HD color. In the old days, we used to make this drift and we'd have 240 lines of resolution. Then it moved up into the 440, the 700, the 1080. Wow. And now we're at 2K, 4K. It's amazing the life that's going on at the seafloor in over 300 and some feet. Now if you look closely coming up, I can see it here. There's a ratfish, a flounder, and a sea cucumber. Starfish, scallops. Look at all of the scallops. If someone out there watching this has a good scallop recipe for a treat, go ahead and email me up. Give me your recipe. Rocky bottom. I'm kind of looking at those white, they look like worms or something on the rocks. I'm not quite sure what those are. We sure get a good clear picture, don't we? We're moving to the west, dropping into 390 foot of bottom depth, and it's a rocky bottom in here with a lot of scallops. West side of Van. Whoa, 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 what was that? Van, whoa. Interesting. Kind of lost my train of thought there for a minute looking at the size of the scallops in here. They're huge. West side, Vashon Island, 395 feet. A lot of small rocks. And again, I'm looking at these white worms attached to them, and I'm not quite sure what that is. It's pretty exciting, though, to sit on the boat. Only one out here, flat, glassy water, and dropping now into over 400 foot. It's just a nice, easy slope. Sea urchins in this area. I want to thank you for taking the time to look at this as I have. And if you have anything at all that I can look for you in Puget Sound, please don't hesitate to email me at thokefilm@yahoo.com. I want to say thank you to everyone. Be safe out on the water. Oh, there was a scallop swimming right at the camera. Ratfish. Wow. Bye-bye, everybody.